Hello, dear friends. A very warm welcome to another session. In today's session, we will talk something about Google Sheets. So here I have prepared a table where we have got employee codes, name of the employees to calculate the attendance for a particular week. One option that we normally use is to enter, say, for example, A for absent, B for present, and so on and so forth. And then to count how many P's and how many A's we have. So we can say count if, then we will select the range, then we will give the criteria. For example, here we need to count all the P, which stands for present, and we will get how many days the employee was present. And as we will enter for other employees, the numbers will keep updating. Instead of this, you can use another option, that is putting a tick in the checkbox. So to do that, what we will do is we will first select the cell in all the cells in which we need to insert the tick box. Then after selecting the cells, we will go to insert and click on the option called checkbox. Now the checkbox are entered. We will write a formula, that is count if, again select the range that you want to consider, comma, true. And close it. So the moment you will put a tick on the box which represents the employee was present, the attendance will get calculated. You can drag it down, and in whichever cell you will click, the attendance will get updated, representing that the employee is present. So this is another way of maintaining attendance. This functionality or feature you can use to keep a track of different tasks or to maintain any kind of list, whatever you want. Hope you like this, and we will come up with many more such options for you. Stay tuned, and if still you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.